Alright, this is a 2017 Lexus RC350 with the F Sport package. It's got the EMINENT white paint, so it's a pearl paint. It's got the 19-inch rims. There's your F Sport logo. Has the reverse parking sensors. It's all-wheel drive. Has the 3M bumper applique to protect the bumper. It's got the cargo net here, and then underneath that is the spare tire. Has LED daytime running lights as well as fog lights, and then HID headlights. Then you can also see the sensors here on the front. It does have a sunroof as well. You'll find these options in the comment section. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. Also has the driver memory package. See the power driver seat here. There's your blind spot monitoring. Turn them on and off for the mirrors. Power adjustable steering column here. Has automatic headlights. 44,834 miles. There's your Bluetooth. It has collision alert. Built-in navigation. Backup camera. Dual zone automatic climate control. Heated and ventilated seats, as well as a heated steering wheel. There's your drive modes. Has the Mark Levinson Premium Surround, AM, FM radio, as well as HD radio. There's your little trackpad to control the main screen. It is push button start. You have your garage door openers here on the bottom of the mirror. Your power sunroof. LED map lights. You have the illuminated visors. They also slide. You have a locking glove box with your owner's manual inside. You have two USB ports, an auxiliary and a 12 volt inside, and it is felt lined. There's your cruise control. And this slides to the right and you can go through the settings. Different driver information, your pop-up display. You can change the color of the needle. Looks like a blue, red, and white. You have a rev indicator as well as the peak and a speed indicator. And there's your paddle shifters. And it is proximity entry, remote keyless. This is a non-smoker. It's very clean.